Well, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Brianna, but you can call me Bree. And as you can tell in the title by today's video, I will be trying some China snacks. I heard a lot of people in China love some of these snacks that are up here. The one that I'm curious about the most is the ginger chews. Y'all can see it close up. I'm really curious about the ginger chews because, first of all, I really feel like they're going to taste just like ginger. And I had many things with the ingredients of ginger in it, but I really feel like this is the real deal. Like, this is going to have ginger and it's going to taste just like ginger. And these are probably great too because it's on the back. It says it's good for upset stomach. So like if you have a virus, it probably like help or whatnot. The Pockies, I never tasted before, so I'm very curious to try. I remember watching a YouTuber on YouTube. She tried it and she ordered it and she acted like the Pockies were so good. So I'm really excited to try these, and they have cookie and cream. They had a lot of different flavors, but I wanted to try the cookie and cream. Hopefully they are very good. And then we have I don't know how to pronounce it. If I get it wrong, forgive me, but it's pronounced, I think, Pachayo.
Bruh.
Pachayo. Think Pachayo. I'm not sure. If anyone know in the comments, you can correct me. But I'm really excited to taste these. They have more than one flavor. They have grape, strawberry, mango, and melon. And so I'm really excited to taste all the flavors of it. I have a good feeling that this is going to be really good. So yeah, and hopefully it really does taste like the fruit. I love candy that tastes just like fruit. Okay, next we have Hello Panda Strawberry, and it says it's bite size. Now this right here is the one I'm kind of scared to try because like anything scares me that like has like filling in it or something like that. Like I don't like donuts with filling. I don't really like anything with any type of filling like. And these definitely have strawberry filling in it. So hopefully it is good. I'm not sure the name of it. It says Hello Panda Strawberry bite size. And up here, I think it's pronounced Mangy. So I'm just going to say Mangy. I don't know if that's the company. It might be the company. But this is how they look. Hopefully y'all can see it. And the very last thing we have is, I'm going to guess Yan Yan. It says Yan Yan double cream. And it has these little sticks where you can dip it, and it looks like it's chocolate and strawberry. And then it says it has fun animal names on each stick. So I guess this is like a great snack to get your child to keep them busy and they can eat. So yeah, hopefully this is good also. So what I'm gonna do, I don't know which ones I want to try first. I think I'm going to save these for last. I'm going to save these for last too. Okay, so I might try this first because only because I feel like this is going to be the least one that I really like, but I don't know though. I might be wrong. I really might be wrong. I know a lot of people said that it is good, but I don't really like anything with filling in it. So let me move these to the side. Okay, and I'm about to open this.
Oh Lord, look y'all, it says tear here. I literally ripped the whole thing, but it's okay. Okay, we're opening it, and it comes in a pink package. It's really cute, and it says Meiji, M-E-I-G-J-Y, M-E-I-J-I. I guess that's a company name, because I think I got more than one candy or snack that says the same thing, so I'm guessing it's from the company.
Okay. Open it. It smells really good, like strawberry. I don't know if y'all can see in the pack. Okay. Oh, it's really cute. It has a panda on the front of it. I know y'all can't see it, but it's so cute. Okay. Here goes nothing. 3, 2, 1. Really good. It's not too bad. I will actually buy these for my daughter. It's not too sweet, and it's not too sweet, but it's just the right amount of sweetness. It's like the cracker doesn't have a lot of the cracker is not really sweet, but the filling is, you know, sweet, so it gives like a good balance. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely let her try these. It's really good. That's a good snack for a child. Okay, the next one I will try. Let me put this back in thing too. Okay, I'm put that over there. Next one I'm gonna try is Pocky, the cookie and cream. I have a good feeling that this one is gonna be really good. It says cookie and cream cookies and cream covered biscuit sticks, so that should be really good. It should taste exactly like cookies and cream. I definitely taste a lot of flavor with cookies and cream, and everything basically is good with cookie and cream in it, so you can't go wrong on this. Okay, so yeah, I opened it. It's in a white packet. Okay, and this is how it looks on the inside. It has little brown sticks. I'm gonna pull one out. Ooh, it looks really good. It has the cookies. I can see like the cookies through the white. It looks really good, so let's give it a try. This is really good. That's really good. That is really good, y'all. I would eat more, but since, you know, y'all gonna be staring at me eating them, I'm not gonna do that, because I know y'all want to taste them, but y'all can't. These are really good. I really like these. They taste basically like cookies and cream. It's like a cream. It's like cookies and cream, but like the texture of it, or like the stuff that's on the stick, is like really creamy. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really good. So if you can, I suggest get some of these and try them, because they hitting. They really good, y'all. The next one, which I'm a little scared to try, is the Yan Yan. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. If I'm not, then feel free to correct me in the comments. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm about to open it. Okay, and this how the inside looks. We have don't know if y'all can see that. We have the strawberry, the chocolate, and we have the little sticks right here. And they said it has, oh, it really does. It has a mouse, and it says it eats cheese. So not only is this a good snack for kids, but they actually said the animal and what it likes to eat. And then this one, it says a chick eager to hatch. Oh, so it's not only what they eat, it's just different little things about, I guess, animals. I'm low-key hesitating, but I don't know which one should I try first. Which one I should try first, y'all? Fine, then I'll choose myself. I'm gonna go with the chocolate. Actually really good. I was thinking it was gonna taste like more like Nutella, which I don't know. I like it because this chocolate, it doesn't really have a strong taste. It's not too sweet, but it's sweet enough, if y'all get what I'm saying. I like it. The cookie really doesn't taste like nothing, which is good too, because you don't need the cookie to be sweet and the toppings to go on the cookie to be sweet. Okay, now I'm going to try the strawberry. I'm kind of scared. Okay. Strawberry's not too bad either. I like it. But these, the sticks right here, remind me of the cookies. But the cookie just had the filling. And, y'all, I just thought about it. The cookie had the filling of the strawberry. And this had the strawberry in it. And this tastes just like the strawberry in the cookie. Y'all, I'm on to something. It's literally the same thing. This just has chocolate, and you just dip the stick in the strawberry. But this is the same cookie as this, and has the same strawberry as that. But
Okay.
that is in, the strawberry is in the cookie.
Boy, if you don't get...
It's literally the same thing. Literally. I'm mind blown. Really. They're both good though. It's really good. I can see why people in China, you know, like it. Like this, like these little snacks, because they're really good. And they know how to not over sweeten things. That's really good. I love it. I'm gonna choose is this. Only because I'm really curious about how these taste. And I'm a little scared about how these taste. So I'm going to save this for the very end. I'm going with this. I'm going to get out every flavor and try it. Okay. That's how it looks on the inside. A lot of colors. Okay, so... got all the candies. So I'm gonna try the grape first. The texture is not too chewy, but it's not too hard either. It's really good. It tastes exactly like grape. That's the only way I can put it. And they did a great job we're perfecting the taste. Next, I'm going to do the strawberry. I couldn't taste the flavor. I mean, at first when I taste the strawberry candy, I couldn't really taste the flavor. And then after I start chewing it, it seemed like the flavor came out, and it's really good. It tastes just like strawberry, as they said. Okay. Last but not least, we have the mango and we have the melon. So I'm gonna do the melon first. Okay, the melon was just like the strawberry. I couldn't taste it in the beginning. I had to like chew and really get the flavor to taste it. I can't really say it tastes like a melon. It really don't taste like a melon, but the flavor is pretty good. So yeah. Okay, now time for the mango. The mango is not bad either, but I realized and I noticed that I didn't have to, like, the first bite I took, the mango flavor just bursting, like, was just out there. It's really good. Yeah, I get the hint of the mango like flavor. It's not bad at all. I like it. Out of the grape, strawberry, and melon and the mango, I say I like the mango the best, and then the grape, and then the strawberry, and then the melon. Let me finish chewing. Last but not, well, yeah, I was about to say last but not least, but last we have the ginger chews. Oh, I'm just so excited. Oh my goodness. It's a 100% natural. Okay. I'm opening it. They have a bunch of individual little ginger bites. Okay, I got one. Oh, they're so cute. This is like the mini version of the big bag. It literally has what the big bag has on it. It's so cute. Okay. Oh. It literally smells like nothing. Ooh, I'm so scared now.
Bruh.
Okay. Okay. It's very squishy. It's very squishy. It looks like it has like white powder on the outside of it. Okay, let me stop procrastinating. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay. I got this. Okay, I got this.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk! Got him! Got him!
That's nasty. ginger thing. Taste it.
Alright, I'm just gonna eat the pop.
Taste it, Bridget. Take it in your room.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
My goodness. That ain't it. That is not it. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. Ooh. Mm-mm. I will not eat this on a normal day. You know? That would seem like medicine to me. Like, I can tell these are really good for you. But they just don't taste good. They really spicy. And I know for a fact that it's 100% ginger because it tastes 100% like ginger. But I can't do it. I cannot eat it. I can't do it. No. That thing almost made me y'all know what I don't want to say it, but it almost made me my stomach turn. I knew it. I was excited, y'all. I was so excited about this. I'm disappointed. I really am. But I'm so disappointed, y'all. But for a fact, it's natural ginger. Okay, y'all. That will be everything. That is everything that I have to taste right now. I was so bummed out from the ginger, but I'm not really too bummed because I know it's real ginger, and you know, anything that's real is good for your body. So you know, it'll be good if I get sick or whatever. It's really good. It's good in all honesty. It's just a lot of good stuff. We will not always like the taste of all natural stuff, and that's just the way it is. So everything was good. I can see why people in China really like these snacks. I will definitely order way more next time. I'll probably do a part 2. I'll probably start trying to do like little things of me opening packages, tasting different country snacks, you know, seeing what they eat and, you know, how different it is from us, because I want to, you know, I want to see what they snacking on. Everything was good. I loved everything, including the ginger, because I know it's real ginger, so that's good. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know my my social medias are always open. Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. Inbox me any ideas you have for me to do for a video. I would greatly appreciate it at Brianna Hawkins, and you will see this face. Remember to live life to the fullest, be happy, enjoy life. Welcome to my life.